I am out here today in the welding lab. Our nursing program and the welding department has partnered together to do what's called a mass casualty simulation. This is such an exciting time for our graduating students to see what it's like if they come into an environment with multiple traumas that they have to assess, they have to prioritize, they have to somewhat treat and get them to a safe area. This is going to be so helpful for them. There are so many opportunities for nurses, not only in the hospital setting, but outside of the hospital arena.
Today, you don't know what to expect when you walk into a simulation, especially with something like a mass casualty incident. I've trained for these before in EMT experience, but this is definitely something that it can go 1,000,007 different ways. So I personally helped out with a guy who had a tube sticking out of him, a pipe, if you will, and the pipe, was in a pretty serious location, and a patient like that, you got to get them taken care of very quickly, otherwise things can go south real fast.
These are our senior students, so they're graduating in just a few months. So it's important for them to see different aspects of care. Nurses legally are responsible if they come up on an accident or disaster to stop and help. So this is a good experience for them to be able to get past that first set of jitters of, okay, what do I see? What happens when I really see somebody hurt or injured? And it lets them know that their nurse brain is really there and does kick in.
So this is my last semester here at Pellissippi as a nursing student. Today we were doing a mass casualty simulation just leading up to graduation, get us prepared to go out into the real world. Very high adrenaline, a little nervousness. We were just learning how to take control of the scene and get everybody where they need to be in an orderly fashion.
So our nursing program is really the best in the state currently. We have over a 96% pass rate for the year of 2022, and we focus on creating situations in a safe environment for these students to really learn to hone in on their skills, but also to address the adrenaline rush and the fear and the anxiety that comes along with multiple situations. It's much better to do that in a safe environment first before we put them out into the real world. These students have been through a lot. They're willing to be put on the line. They're willing to try new things and hard things. They let us keep pushing them and let us keep giving them instances where they can grow and learn. I'm so proud of these students because that's the type of nurse we need in the healthcare system.